Hello guys, I'm going to walk you through the prototype for this project. It has two main parts and these are the web application and the embedded device. At the moment, I'm showing you how the embedded device works and how it is able to get data from a vehicle and transmit it remotely. It has these four major wires, the two for getting data, and these are CAN high and CAN, the ones I'm showing you, and the other two are for powering it, and these are positive and negative. All these wires come straight away from the CAN hub that is under the seat. So all this is placed inside a dashboard. So I'm going to log into the web application and see if I can get live information or live data from the vehicle which was used for testing. So I will log into the system using my credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one. So after putting in my credentials and logging into the system, I'll be able to see if I can get data remotely using the drop device. Right now, what is shown is the landing page, but because the focus was put on the Kira EV, I'll just type in the credentials or the information for the Kira EV, and these are the name, which is Kira EV, and its corresponding number plate. So after putting in the right name and the right number plate, I'll be able to get the information, and I'll be able to see the park voltage, park current, motor speed, motor temperature, and the location. These were the main focus for this project. As you can see, the information is updated and everything has changed.